Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can get XP fast in Fortnite. Now in order to get XP really fast, all you want to do is head over to your quests, right? Go to your daily quest or weekly. I would suggest do the weekly ones. They're like really good. Once you're here in the weekly one, start doing your weekly quest. Look at how much XP you get from just doing these weekly quests, right? Keep doing the weekly quest and that's gonna be it. That's actually it. Just keep doing these weekly quests and you should be able to, earn all the XP you want to earn. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.